In this video I will guide you through the vocals of Anna Go To Him, contained in the Please Please Me album. The difficulty you may encounter in this song is, first of all, the interpretation by John. This is absolutely out of the world. I tried to reproduce this one the closest possible.
But let me tell you now, but every girl I've ever had.
And I think I did quite a good job with that. The other difficulty you may encounter is the part that Paul sings, the backing vocals that Paul sings, which are very, very high. And requires a lot of breath. So I will point out in the video where you have to breathe. This is very important, with some kind of mark. Apart from this, there is George vocals, which is quite simple. And remember, this was made live during the recording of the Please Please Me album. That was absolutely stunning. And so this is the harmony of Anna Go To Him.
Go with him. Go with him. Go with him. With him. But let me tell you now, but every girl I've ever had breaks my heart and leaves me sad. What am I supposed